And welcome back to the third part of this tutorial. Now I'm going to start work with the add, update and delete, and that'll be all. Let's take care of those. So let's go back in here and double click on update. Okay, instead of the update, let's double click on add new. Now for the add new, before I go any further, let me just copy some stuff here instead of reinventing the wheel. So I'm going to copy all of these. Let's copy that up to connect and up to MySQL here. I can even copy it all, then just delete what I don't need. Copy, come right down here where we have our add new, paste, and there we go. So what I'm going to do now before I go any further is, you see this very one, I'm going to copy it, or maybe just cut, let's leave it where it is. I'm going to add try cache in there, and let's copy this to our try cache statement here. I will move all of this in there for now, but I'm still going to delete a lot, if not all. Paste that in there, and here you see the command statement. I do need that, so I'm going to change this to insert into membership. Let's go for the ID. But on my database I call that reference ID, so I'm going to change that to ref number, I think. Let's see. Okay, it's called ref number, so drop that down. So open up a bracket. First one is ref num, comma, first name, comma, surname, and comma, I think I have address, comma, what else do I have? Let me have a look. I have address, mobile phone, reg date, mobile, then reg date, and what else do we have after reg? Proof date of birth, comma, proof DOB, comma, member type, comma, and member number. There, those are my columns. Okay, now, alright, I'm now going to add value in there, but what I'm going to do is, let me come in here, okay, and here I'm going to delete this for now. Delete that, I don't really need it. I will also delete this, but I would need my refresh DB, I call that. Okay, there, and my database connector, let's see, where is it? It's right here. I think, did I call it membership DB? I'm going to need that as well. Come right down here and just paste that there. That's just to refresh your system for me. There we go. Alright, I'm going to leave the rest. No, I'm going to delete this as well. I don't need to read that for now. Okay. Now underneath here we're going to need value. So what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to close that first. It's closed, and I will add before, so that you guys can see it anyway. What I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to do for now. I'm going to come in here, add that, come in here, add speech mark, and right underneath here. Now I can even create some space for you guys to see what is on each column. Now you can see it properly, and do the same thing here. And right underneath here, I'm going to press enter, and let's enter value. Values, and let's open up the value. We enter an apostrophe quote and press plus, then that will be txt reference. That's the very first one. Txt reference dash text. That's the very first one. I'm going to say plus quotes or apostrophe, then we have comma, apostrophe, quote, and a plus. There. I'm going to copy this because I will need it for others. Now the next thing that we need is txt first name dash text. Now paste what I've copied, followed by the surname, txt surname dash text. Paste. Good, looking good. Now the next one, I don't know if the next one we have enough room. That's just address. Say yeah, we should have enough room. So that's going to be txt address dash text. Okay, I'm going to paste that, and I'll just press enter so that we have enough room for the rest. Now the next one that we want to enter after address is mobile phone. Txt mobile dash text. There. What else do we need? We have mobile. Now reg dates. What did I call reg date here? And here let's see reg date. Okay, txt reg date. Let's go back in there. So reg date is going to be txt date reg dash that will be text. And we now have that. We now want proof. Proof of address has CBO proof dash text. There. After the proof of address, we have date of birth. I think that is date of birth is not txt. Let's come here and see. Okay, that's the date of birth, really. So the date of birth is date time picker. Okay, let's go back in there. That is date time picker. That will be dash text. There. Date time picker dash text. Paste that in there. And finally, no, it's not finally. We have 1, 2 more. Okay, CBO type dash text plus CBO fees dash text. There we go. I will just need to enter plus, come right here, quotes, apostrophe, close the bracket, close. There we go. Yeah, that's it. Alright, before we can run it, we now need to change this very one. The command should be execute non-query. So that is going to be dash execute non-query and enter semicolon. Okay, so I'm going to try it out now. Click on run. Okay, let's try this out. I'm going to enter whatever reference in there, and the name, I'm just going to enter my name and address number 1 goes down. Mobile number, registration dates, let's make that today. And proof of address or proof of ID. Now here, okay, let's call that date of birth. Let's change that. And let's come down here, annual member, and there. So let's click on add. Okay, a non-column. Member number, what did I call it? I have to go back in there. Let's see, I call it member fees. Oh dear. Okay, let's go and change that to member fees instead of number fees. Alright, okay, I'm gonna exit out. Exits. Alright, let's go back in there. And right here, that is my error here. It's meant to be member fees. There. Okay. I think hopefully I must have taken care of the error. Let's run it again. Let's try that out again. That is going to be there. And let's say the name is now Tony. And right here we have Montana. Address of Montana. Let's call that Little Venice. Yep. London. And in here, that's the Montana's phone number, registration date, proof of ID, passport, and date of birth. Let's change that up. Let's make up something there. Let's say weekly membership. There we go. And click on add. There we go. Look at that. Look at Montana right there. Yeah, it's working, guys. Okay, let's add a new data. I'm going to click on reset. Says all the reference number is that, and the name is Paul. Let's come down here and enter surname. And address is number 1 Gorestown. Mobile number and date of registration is 17/05/2000. Proof of ID, pilot license, and date of birth. Let's come down here and just maybe change this around. Let's enter something else there. And here, member type, annual member. There we go. Click on add. There, we have 2 datas in there. That's nice, guys. So let's take care of, let's do one thing first. Let's try out our refresh. I'm going to search for Tony. click on search. There we go, that's Tony, and let's see if the refresh works. There, you see that, guys? Let's search for Paul. Search, and let's refresh. There. So we now need to work on update and delete. That's good, it's working, guys. Alright, that's good. The program is working, so let's continue work with the update and delete. So I'm going to exit out. Yeah. Now, back in here. Okay, let's double click on update. There we go. I'm going to copy some data in here. Let's come in here. Where is it? It's MySQL connector. Yeah, I'm going to copy all of this. Okay, let's just copy it up to here. Now delete the contents that I don't want. And let's come straight to update here. That is my update procedural area. Paste that in there. And let's get rid of all of this for now. So delete that. That's all of this. There we go. All gone. Now, in here, the first thing I want to do is, let me call my, this is string ID. Let's try that again. ID that is equals to txt ref dash text. There. That's my very first variable declared. The second one is going to be surname, first name and surname. Paste. That's going to be first name. And followed by surname. There we go. Okay, let's just copy this for the rest. I think in total I have about 10. We have up to here now, and the next one, let's see what we have it there. Okay, we have mobile number, date, reg or reg date, and proof. So let's come in here. Alright, we need to change this to reg date. txt reg date. Okay. And the next one is going to be that is CBO proof. There. Then we have CB. No. Yeah. Okay. CBO. You can always rearrange it anyway. That's date. Yeah. Type of ID. We have type of ID, then type of membership, and here is going to be CBO fees. Okay. Then we have the date of birth. That is data. Is it time picker? No, is it time picker? Date and time picker. Yeah. There we go. Right. And just one more. Okay, we have date of birth. Date of birth. TXC. There. Okay. Is it TXT? Let's check. Yeah, I think I already have this. So I think I may have it all. I think what is missing is the mobile number. Mobile. Right. Mobile should be way up here somewhere. Cut that off. I think it's right underneath here. Okay, and this. that off. Is right here. Yeah. Okay, and that's all there is to that. So we need to I'm just going to have a quick look and make sure the arrangement is in order. But first thing first, I need to change all of this. This will be called mobile, else there will be an error again. And this is dates. It's got to be the names I have on my columns. So let's see the columns really. Alright, there they are. Just copy it. I will use that as a guide. Let's paste that here. I can always delete it later on. Okay, now I have a solid guide. Alright, the first one is the second one, surname, address, mobile, date, reg date, registration date, proof. Right. After that, date of birth. Copy, paste this here. Okay, after date of birth, member type and member fees. There we go. Everything is in order. So I can delete this. Okay, that's good. Alright, the next thing we want to do now is to add some SQL statements so that the system will be able to validate whatever we have. Okay, so I'm going to use, just like I did here, let me copy this. Let's copy it up to here. Yeah, copy. Come right down here, paste it right here. Command text. So instead of insert, that is going to be update. In fact, let's just get rid of everything here. Update member, I think it's called membership. Yeah, membership. And let's set ID. Let's just call that ID equals apostrophe quotes. The first ID is, I think I call it ref ID, but we need to validate that ref number is called, not ref ID, ref number. Okay, and that is my very first one. There should be a plus here and there should be a plus here as well. Okay, now let's enter speech mark here and apostrophe, and the next one is going to be first name, and the first name say equals apostrophe speech mark plus first name. Right, that is going to be the other way around. Grab that, let's cut it off, move this one there and this one come here. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Alright, this one is first name. After first name we have plus, then we have quote, apostrophe, comma, and the next one is going to be surname. So what I'm going to do is I might as well just press enter. So let's just press enter from here. Now the next one is going to be address, and the address equals apostrophe and right here plus address. There. I'll say plus quotes there. So that is what I meant to do. I've done 4 altogether. Yeah, no, 3. No, there should be surname. I'm missing out on surname, so I'm going to copy that for surname. Okay, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I'm done with this very one. Okay, that's it. So let's round up the whole process. I'm just gonna go up there and just copy as follows, and let's come right down here, just paste that there. Right, there we go. So that is my update taken care of. So have a good look at update lines of codes before we run it. So I'm going to click on run. Alright, let's try it out now. I'm going to just click on there and let's change the details of, maybe change this. Come in here and let's select passport and just click on update. There we go, look at that. And let's change Tony Montana. Click on Tony Montana, come in here, change that to pilot or maybe student, whatever. Click on update. There we go. So our update is working. So all that is left for us now is to delete. Okay. There. I just added more details of Tony Montana so that I have something to delete. Let's come in here and just add more. There we go. Okay. We can even change 1 or 2 things here as well. Let's change that to annual, and that means that goes up. So update. Right. Okay, let's take care of delete now. So we'll come in here and just exit out. Right. Back in here. Okay, double click on the delete button, and right here I'm going to copy as follows, but before then I'm just going to add try cache and grab this statement here, paste that in here, and I'm going to just copy the following connectors. Let's grab all of these, right, and come right down here, paste that here. And what else do we need? Maybe I should grab the, okay, let's just go ahead and take care of the codes anyway. But first thing, let's do this. I'm going to copy this maybe up to here. Right, let's come down here. Okay, right inside the delete, I'm going to declare as follows: string ID, and that is equals to txt this dash text there. All right, now the next thing is I'm going to enter the command I've just copied there, and instead of update I'm going to change this to delete from membership. That will be where ID get rid of this, where ID is ID. No, that is actually ref number, where ref num equals ID. Okay, so comma SQL comma there. Now the next thing I want to do is let's get it opened. I'm going to open up my system. Let's say open up the database, come in here, open, and SQL read equals SQL command dash, that will be read. This is the one. Execute reader. Okay, we can add a message box. Let's see if I can grab one. Yeah, I can grab one here. It's right here. Let's just add a message box just to validate that we are deleted something. So let's see record deleted in there. Record deleted. There. And underneath here, I'm just going to close up everything. Copy this and close. Paste. Close. Right. And what about refresh? Okay, let's get a refresh here. And that will be, there we go. Alright, I think that's all there is to the delete. Okay, we have an error here, so I actually need a open bracket here, and I'm going to replace all of this with a constructor. Alright, that should take care of that problems in there for the delete. Right, so let me just run it and see how that's going to look like. Let's see. Okay, let me just run it and see. Yeah, let's run. Click on run. Alright guys, that is it right there. So let's try, let's see what's going to happen now. So we have Tony Montana there. Okay, we have a couple of Tony Montana, so let's just select whatever I want to delete. Okay, let's take care of this delete. Yes, there we go. And let's delete this other one. Yeah, so the delete is working, update is working, and so on. And we can add more data. So I'm going to change this one to Sally Queen. Just change this whole details in here. This as well. Right, membership and more. There we go. Passport. An address. Let's say number 17. Yep. You're clean. London. And there we go. So I'm going to click on add. There we go, guys. Yeah. We have the same primary key, so we can just change that and add more. That's it, guys. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. And I suppose you guys enjoy it. So you all have a nice day, and please do subscribe to my channel. You can always join to become a member of the channel. Bye for now.